The highly versatile 38999 remains the ultimate solution for harsh environment applications.
Welcome back to Connector IQ. I'm Will Salmon, Engineered Solutions Group Team Lead here at PEI Genesis. Today, we're diving into one of the most widely used connectors in the world, the 38999. This connector powers everything from satellites and aircraft to trains and industrial machinery. The 38999 connector has a fascinating history. It originated during World War II when the US military needed a rugged and reliable connector for aircraft. ITT Cannon, working with Douglas Aircraft, developed a circular connector that would later evolve into the 38999 we know today. Over the decades, it's adapted to meet growing demands, adding higher contact density, improved waterproofing, rust resistance, and a lighter design. Today, it's trusted not just by the US military, but in various industries worldwide. So, why is the 38999 still so popular? One key reason is its ability to handle high power and high voltage, all while delivering reliable performance in extreme conditions. That's why you'll find it in military vehicles, advanced avionics, and other heavy-duty applications that need a stable and secure connection. Another standout feature, its compact size. 38999 connectors come in small form factors that fit perfectly in tight spaces without sacrificing performance. This is crucial in avionics, unmanned vehicles, and aerospace, where every inch of space and every ounce of weight counts. But it's not only about power. 38999 connectors also support high-speed data transmission. With the ability to handle modern protocols like Ethernet, USB, and fiber optics, this circular connector is ideal for systems that need fast, reliable data transfer. That makes it perfect for applications beyond just military use, like commercial aviation, industrial automation, and communication networks. And of course, these connectors are built tough. They resist moisture, vibration, and corrosion, meaning they last even in the harshest environments. Their rugged metal shells provide protection from electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, which is crucial for maintaining signal integrity in critical systems. In summary, the 38999 is an essential connector across multiple industries. In aerospace, it ensures reliable communication and power distribution in aircraft and spacecraft. In the military, it powers vehicles, drones, and communication systems that are built to withstand extreme conditions. In industrial automation, a commercial application, it's a go-to for robotics and control systems. At PEI Genesis, we are the connector experts. By partnering with us in the early days of your design, we'll guide you to the best solution while keeping important military standard requirements in mind. We'll use our proprietary equipment and processes to build your 38999 connector to your exact specifications. We carry 38999 variants from top suppliers like ITT Cannon, Amphenol, Surio, and Kinesis. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Connector IQ. The 38999 remains a trusted solution for industries that demand power, speed, and reliability in the toughest environments. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please reach out to us using the following information. See you next time.